Hello! Welcome to another Days in My Life. Please make sure to subscribe and click on that bell button. Okay, today we are at Greenbelt because I am here for this special preview of Gucci x Adidas. I actually just returned from Europe yesterday. I don't think I'm jet lagged. I slept pretty well. So back to work right away. I was actually already working yesterday. Nice to be straight to work. Of Gucci was just telling me that this is the first drop. They're gonna have more stocks coming in like a few weeks, maybe in a week or two. But now they have a few stocks here right now, like probably around 3 per bag, mga ganon. So if you really want it, then you have to check them out right away here at the Gucci Greenbelt 4 store. They're gonna have more of the gazelles as well, classic Gucci's. And then they will also have more of the bigger bowling bags as well, these duffel bag versions of these. But they're also still coming. Sad lang though, because the store here in the Philippines is so small, they're not able to bring in more of the RTW stuff, like the clothes, because the clothes from this collaboration is really so good. But yeah, but at least we have the new collections now. Usually we don't get them here, so I'm really happy that we finally get them. Back home, and it's the perfect time to do an unboxing because of this sun situation, so we'll do an unboxing. Already unboxing. This one also just came from my Johnson's baby family. So we have here marshmallows. Might be wondering why. We're gonna do an experiment. We're very excited to share with you a sensitive skin innovation that Iwalang experts, Johnson's Cotton Touch Bath and Oil. It's backed by science, so we're gonna do an experiment just like a science class. It's made by the experts at Johnson's Baby. So this experiment is gonna prove just how good Johnson's Cotton Touch is for our babies' sensitive skin. We have our instructions over here and our marshmallows here and our Ziploc, which I'm very excited about because I get to keep it. Okay, so it says here, generously apply Johnson's Cotton Touch lotion on one marshmallow and place it on with Cotton Touch side of the demo board. So this is our demo board. Oh my gosh, feeling ko nandun ako sa mga commercials. You know those commercials in like back in the day where they have like the real brand and then brand X. So we're gonna try that here. Except there's no brand X. There's just with or without Cotton Touch. So we're gonna use the Johnson's Cotton Touch lotion. Then we're gonna get one marshmallow. Bango, I wanna eat it. We're gonna really lather this. Let's imagine this is Sienna's skin. Actually, this really helped us so much when we were traveling around Europe because the air there is so dry. So all the more that I needed to keep Sienna's skin moisturized. She started to have like these little bumps na around her mouth area that Yoni also noticed. So I just started putting the Johnson's Cotton Touch lotion all over her face and body and immediately got rid of all those little bumps and stuff. So yan, sobrang dami ko nang nilagay. Sabi nila generously, so I'm gonna be really generous. Okay, so we're gonna put this here with Cotton Touch. Excess, let's put on myself. Smells so good. I really love this, not just for Sienna but also for me. And I've always been a Johnson's Baby even when I was younger. I remember I had Johnson's Baby shampoo and I would do the Johnson's Baby commercial where you put your hair up like that. So it's really a tried and tested brand for me. And I love that it's got the seal of approval of experts. Yun nga, kaya nga hashtag Tiwalang Experts. It's triple tested by pediatricians, dermatologists, and ophthalmologists and also recommended by the Mother and Child Nurse Association of the Philippines. So, sobrang okay talaga siya. And from us, we've never had any like bad reaction with it because Johnson's Baby Cotton Touch is really made for babies with even the most sensitive skin like Sienna. So, yay! We've got new ones! Yay! So happy. We also have here the Johnson's Baby oil, which is also something that I have. I remember when I also got older, I still use Johnson's Baby wash and I use it also to clean my makeup brushes because it's that gentle. It doesn't ruin my makeup brushes. It's something that I always use. And it's actually recommended by some makeup artists as well. So ganun siya ka-gentle talaga. And then they also sent this cute robe for Sienna Ball for her after bath time. Okay, so I'm gonna show you my experiment now. So we have here the Johnson's Cotton Touch marshmallow that I've already covered generously with the Johnson's Baby Cotton Touch lotion. And then here's a normal marshmallow on the without cotton touch sides. We're gonna leave it to air dry for an hour. Timer starts now.
Ballo.
Okay, now back to unboxing. This one just came in. Pulled it out from Vanya Remov. It's for the shoot I'm prepping for the Dior bags. Thank you so much, Vanya, for saving me. Everything was done last minute because I just came home from Europe and Dior wanted me to post the looks really early. So ayan, so pretty. How pretty is this? Comes with this little cake tool as well. Daddy, I'm gonna get married again.
To whom?
You.
Me?
Yeah.
Did you make me a suit?
I sent you the bill as well.
We're married then. Then.
Okay. Yes. Time to dance. Daddy, your hands Mom. Okay, so it's been more than an hour. We've already finished dinner. Sienna is off to take a bath. So, check our experiment. So this is the marshmallow without cotton touch. As you can see, it's pretty dry. It's also much harder. See, may wrinkles pa siya. And then we have here the useful marshmallow with the cotton touch. It's even glistening. Super soft. The skin is also super smooth. Side by side. So you could really see the difference. As predicted, cotton touch is... Are we done with bath time? Finish bath, all fresh. Yeah. Give mommy hands. Okay, now I have to rub like how mommy taught you. Yeah, and then rub like that. And rub belly. Rub belly. Rub. Yay! Rub belly. All dressed and all soft and smooth. Yeah, I'll show mommy big muscles. Yay! Big muscles. Okay, now have to brush teeth. Show mommy, okay? And then we're done. We're gonna comb hair, okay? Comb hair. Have to brush hair. Wow! Where's eyes? Show mommy eyes. Yeah, eyes. Show mommy. Yeah. Ears? Ears. Very good. How about mouth? Mouth. Wow.
Soup.
Soup? How about soup? Show mommy soup. Soup. Show mommy. Wow.
Nina.
Okay, now mommy has to close this. Zipper. Chuk. Yay, finish. Sleeping time. Yeah, sleep. Okay, say bye-bye. Flying kiss. Okay, good night. Good morning, Cam Fam. I don't know if you can hear the noise, but if you can, then you already know where I am. I'm at Cokoro Haus, and we're here to check on the progress. It's been a while since we last came. My voice is not awake yet. I fell asleep in the car. Sobrang traffic, guys. Anyways, I'll bring you guys with me, as per usual. We've got windows, you guys. Glass is already being installed everywhere. And I don't know if you noticed, but we also already got our roof installed. And as you can see, our stairs are already beautiful. You can see the curved edges. Some of the door jambs and frames have also already been installed. Oh my god, the biggest surprise, there's also stairs going to the basement already.
Yes, ma'am. How may I help you? What would you like to drink?
Oh, our bar is
Gin and
here.
tonic, perhaps, ma'am? I'm waiting, ma'am. Please place your order.
So this is our outdoor bar na pinagpilitan namin, so that's why it's super small. Currently at the maid's room, and we already have some of the tiles installed. So, able to put makeup on already. Oh my my stuff are here. Now I am on the way to Magic's studio to shoot some stuff for Dior. And then that's it for my Saturday. Okay, I just realized I forgot the most important thing. The Dior bags. My brain is still in Europe, guys. Di pa niya kaya mag-function. Thank God for Grab. Ay, my brain. Here we are with Magic, the man of the hour. And this is his beautiful studio. Malapit na po siya magpa-burger. Yeah! And I'm already all dressed up for our first look. So the bags have made it. No thanks to me. Meron na mirror dito, guys. Oh, back! That is super duper deep but super duper beautiful. Happy Father's Day!
Thank you.
So today is a new day and it's Father's Day. My Father's Day gift to Yoni was a round of drinks last night, a special homemade breakfast sandwich, and a very, very beautiful video greeting from Sienna, right, Hubs?
Correct.
Wherein she nailed Happy Dada's Day.
Nailed indeed.
Happy Dada's Day!
Thank you.
So we're currently on the way to my parents' home because we're also going to celebrate Father's Day with my father, the fathership, the godfather, the mafia king. What did you call him? The king of Binondo. Anyway, yeah, we're on the way there to celebrate with him. And I'm sure that they can't wait to see Sienna because Sienna has been in Europe for a very long time. And my mom was just complaining to me yesterday. She said, you know, if you count how many days you guys were in Europe combined, that's still less than your weekends here. She misses Sienna so much. Yes, Sienna Bog! Are you calling Mommy? And Tata?
Present.
Dun 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 dun! The feast for the king of Binondo. It is lechon, his favorite. It's not good for him, but you know, it's Father's Day and YOLO. So there we go. So I've already started unboxing stuff, which is why it's a mess here. It's a working Sunday still. And I figured, why not share another unboxing with you guys? I haven't shared anything from the previous ones that I've been unboxing. So I stopped and got my vlog cam. Let's unbox this together. I think this actually arrived while we were in Europe. So it's from Nap Loungewear. I already have a couple of stuff from them. I really, really love their cashmere stuff and also their loungewear, hence Nap Loungewear. They're really, really very stylish. Stuff that you can wear both at home and also outside. So I got a few things from them. So excited to wear! Let's do a try-on haul so you guys can see what it looks like. Okay, so this is the first one I got. It's like a nice loose dress for at home. And I really love the back. I'm going to show you in a bit. It comes with this strap. So you can put it around your waist like this. The back looks like this. So pretty. Okay, this is the next one. Isn't it so chic? The fabric also is really, really soft. Super breezy as well. Doesn't feel hot at all. Perfect for the home, beach. And then I got this one as well. I'm really into these like really big collars and puffy sleeves. I love this green color. I feel like it's so unique. So cute. Can you just imagine? I also got it in this super duper light lilac color. This is in a different fabric actually. It's, I don't know, they have a different texture. This is smoother and this is more cottony. So yeah, so cute. If you guys want to check out Nap Loungewear, I also have a code where you can get 25% off. I'm going to put my code here. You can use that code so that you can shop and save. let's continue my unboxing. I have quite a few packages that still get sent to my parents' place because I haven't really changed my address. So this one is from Tigran. Didn't even know that they sent me something. Ooh, beautiful. Classic whites. Would have loved to bring this with me to Europe. And then what else do we have here? We have this one from Taylor Mart. Oh, how cute. Solivia trays. So pretty. They sent me a bunch of different sizes and shapes. Also plenty. Oh, this one even has a frame. Nice Christmas gift idea as well. Adidas like me would love. And then food warmer, there are candles underneath. And you can keep the food warm. Yeah, but just for size reference, these are all the trays. And then next, let's open this big box. Ooh! Ah, my heart. My tita heart. Very happy indeed. Lots of organizers. I can't wait to organize at Cokoro Haus. Like these. So you can put stuff here. Canisters. Oh, it's divided by 4. More containers. Risers, which is very important when you're fixing your shelves. Beautiful. Airtight. They also have smaller sizes. So pretty naman this. They also have more risers. Ta-da! Beautiful. Oh, so nice. And then there's time also. How many ml is this? The hubs claims it looks like it's a liter. This is nice. Oh no, it breaks. You can go around the house with this so it looks super chic. This is risers also. So these are all from KK Home. You can find them on Instagram and Facebook at kkhome.ph.
They call you happy birthday lang, ina. They call you happy birthday lang. Aya, kung to ang malo, up.
Say, oh no!
Oh no! Okay na.
Sienna Bug, have to say bye-bye. Bye-bye to Kong Kong and Nay. Say bye-bye. No? What? Not yet leaving? No? Have to say bye-bye. Bye! Kiss Nay. Mwah. Kiss. Mwah. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Mwah.
Beautiful
Beautiful eyes. I should. Okay, so we're now gonna head home, continue the rest of our Father's Day at home, chilling and resting as requested by the father. Thank you so much for watching the vlog, our weekend vlog. Hope you guys liked it. See you guys on the next vlog.